What is good, y'all? It is your boy LaCave. I'm back at you another video, back at you another reaction. So today we got TLC with a song called Waterfalls. For those of you know who TLC is, T-Boz, Lisa Left Eye, and Chili. Yeah, those are all three women, three young women, you know, who paid their way, you know, through the hip hop slash R&B type songs that really putting out everything else like that. So we're gonna give a shout to TLC, man, and RIP to Lisa Left Eye Lopes. You know, RIP to her. She's very talented, very beautiful, but she's something that passed away. But back in 2004, so we're gonna put this song out for her. So if you haven't heard this song, TLC Waterfalls audio, Uncle will link on the description down below. Alright, are you ready? Let's do this. Yeah, let's get it.
Lonely mother gazing out of the window, staring at a sun that she just can't touch. If at any time he's in the jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Little Precious has a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body can handle, but all he can say is, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is fading and he doesn't know why. 3 letters took him to his final resting place. You don't hear me? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
Come on, man.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not one God here for pray. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray all 10 fade away, celebrate them for the 7 days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional skies have dried the tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries. My only leading hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for taking it to your own vein? What a shame you shoot an aim for someone else's brain. It's lame the insane and aim to stay in time for falling prey to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes are coming rest is up to me. Yeah. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to.
Wow. Wow. Whew. Okay. That's good. So that was TLC with a song called Waterfalls. R.I.P. to Lisa Left Eye. You know, this was this was a great song that, you know, I saw in the music video where, you know, when he talk about this song, about this little man, I think got shot by a guy, and how is and the next one is about about a girl and a man make loving and all kind of stuff, but he was blind and his health is fading, but I don't know, he's got some kind of, you know, any diseases on him or nothing like that. So that's what made this story about, you know, what it was, so called Waterfalls. But yeah, it was actually really good. You know, actually really good song. It still play on the radio, you know, to this day. That was a really good song. If you haven't heard of TLC Waterfalls, I'll put a link on the description down below. Alright, I'll see you in my next reaction. It is your boy, the Cave-In. Deuces. Peace.